Morning, dear children. Today we start our third chapter, Mountains and Plateaus in India. Today we start our third chapter, Mountains and Plateaus in India. In our previous class, we studied about the major landforms of the world. Did you understand? Did you know it? Which are the major landforms of the world? Which are the major landforms of the world? Mountains and hills, plateaus, plains, islands, glaciers, valleys and desert we studied about in previous class. Today we start our third chapter, Mountains and Plateaus in India. Mountains and Plateaus in India. First we study about our physiographic division of India. Our physiographic division of India. Here, which side is this? North. Which side is this? North, south, west, east. North, south, west, east. Did you understand? Which are the cardinal directions? North, south, west, east. In India, northern sides are northern mountains or Himalayas. India north side ഉള്ളത് Himalayas. In India, northern side Himalayan range. Northern side Himalayan range are covered in India. Northern side Himalayan range are covered in India. Here, which side is this? West side, Arabian Sea. West side, Arabian Sea. In south, Indian Ocean. In south, Indian Ocean. Eastern side, Bay of Bengal. India is surrounded by Himalayas in the north. Himalayas in the north. Southern side, Indian Ocean. West, Arabian Sea. East, Bay of Bengal. In India, southern part is a peninsula. In India, southern side is a peninsula. In India, southern side is a peninsula. In India, southern side covered three sides of water. That type of land is called peninsula. In India, southern side is a peninsula. In India, southern side is a peninsula. Did you understand? India's physiographic division. Did you understand? ഇന്ത്യയിലെ നോർത്തേൺ സൈഡിൽ ഇവിടെ മുതൽ ഇതുവരെ എന്താണ് ഹിമാലയമാണ്. ഇന്ത്യയുടെ നോർത്തേൺ സൈഡ് ഇവിടെ മുതൽ ഇതുവരെ എന്താണ് ഹിമാലയമാണ്. സദേൺ സൈഡ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ഓഷൻ ആണ്. ഈസ്റ്റേൺ സൈഡ് അറേബ്യൻ സീ. Western side Bay of Bengal. This is the physiographic division of India. Then we study about there are major 6 physical divisions of India. There are 6 physical divisions of India. First one, northern mountains. Second one, the northern plains. Third one, Thar desert. Fourth one, peninsular plateau. Fifth one, coastal plain. Sixth one, islands. There are 6 major physical divisions in India. Where is Himalayas or northern mountains? Did you see? Where is Himalayas or northern mountains? Here have northern mountains or Himalayas. Thar Desert. Did you see violet color clothes here? This is Thar Desert. Did you see a peninsula? Three sides covered with water. This is called peninsular plateau. This is called peninsular plateau. Then these sides, these rose color sides are coastal plains. These rose color sides are coastal plains. Then here have two island groups that are called islands in India. These are the physical divisions of India. Today we study about the northern mountains. Today we study about the northern mountains. Which chapter we study today? Our third chapter. Name of our third chapter: Mountains and Plateaus in India. Our third chapter: Mountains and Plateaus in India. India is surrounded by Himalayas in the north. India is surrounded by Himalayas in the north. India is surrounded by the Himalayas in the north. Indian Ocean, south side, Arabian Sea, west side, Bay of Bengal, east side. Southern part of India is a peninsula. Today we study about our first physical division, the northern mountains. Today we study about the northern mountains. Did you see this one? Did you see? This is a model of northern mountains. This is the model of northern mountains. Northern mountains are three parallel ranges. Northern mountains are three parallel ranges. Did you see? Three layers for this chart. Northern mountains are three parallel ranges. Northern mountains are three parallel ranges. Three parallel ranges are called different names. Three parallel ranges are called different names. First one, Himadri. Second one, Himachal. Third one, Shivalik. First one, Himadri. Second one, Himachal. Third one, Shivalik. Did you understand? Did you understand? First one, Himachal. Second one, first one, Himadri. Second one, Himachal. Third one, Shivalik. Do you understand? There are three parallel ranges are in northern mountains. Three parallel ranges are in northern mountains. First one called Himadri. Himadri. And the name of Himadri, the Great Himalayas. And the name of Himadri, the Great Himalayas. Did you understand? Two name of first row. First one have two names. What are the two names? Himadri or the Great Himalayas. Himadri or Great Himalayas. Second one, Himachal. Himachal and the name the Middle Himalayas. Second range name Middle Himalayas or Himachal. Middle Himalayas or Himachal. Third one's name Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. Third one's name Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. Himalayas. Our northern mountains or Himalayas are three parallel ranges. Did you understand? Our northern mountains or Himalayas are three parallel ranges. First one, Greater Himalayas or Himadri. Second one, Middle Himalayas or Himachal. Third one, Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. Okay. Do you understand? Today we study about our chapter 2, Mountains and Plateaus in India. India is surrounded by the Himalayas in the north. India is surrounded Himalayas in the north. There are three divisions of Himalayas. First one Himadri, second one Himachal, third one Shivalik. Under name of Himadri, Greater Himalayas. Under name of Himachal, Middle Himalayas, third one Shivalik, and the name Outer Himalayas. There are three parallel ranges of Himalayas. Do you understand? Then let us watch a slide. Our chapter Mountains and Plateaus in India. Read with me. Our chapter 3, Mountains and Plateaus in India. Our chapter 3, Mountains and Plateaus in India. Did you see this one? Did you see this map? Where is the northern mountains in India? Northern side covered northern mountains. All of them look this map. Do you understand where is the northern mountains? Look this map and touch northern mountains. There are 6 physical divisions in India. Did you see northern mountains? Did you see the northern plains? Look. Did you see northern plains? The northern plains. Did you see? ആ ഹിമാലയത്തിന് തൊട്ട് താഴെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോർത്തേൺ പ്ലെയിൻസ് കാണാനുണ്ടോ? Northern plains. Look that spelling. Then look the Thar Desert. Did you see 2 camels for this map? The Thar Desert. Did you see the Thar Desert? Where is the islands? Lakshadweep Islands. Look here. Then coastal plains. തീരത്തോട് അടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്ന സമതലത്തെയാണ് എന്ത് വിളിക്കുന്നത്? Coastal plains. Did you see coastal plains? Which are the 2 islands in India? Lakshadweep Islands. Look here. And Andaman Nicobar Islands. Did you see? Then look that circle. Where is the north side? Where is the west side? West side? Where is the east side? Then look next slide. Read with me. The landforms of India can be grouped under 6 physical divisions. The landforms of India can be grouped under 6 physical divisions. First one, the northern mountains. Read with me. Second one, the northern plains. Third one, the Thar desert. Fourth one, peninsular plateau. Fifth one, coastal plains. Sixth one, islands. Today we study about the northern mountains. Today we study about northern mountains. Then look here, page number 198. All of them take your textbook and look page number 198. Get ready. Write the difference between mountains and plateaus. Write the difference between mountains and plateaus. That is your homework. All of them write it. All of them complete your second chapter questions and one words in your notebook. All of them complete your second chapter and send me my WhatsApp number. Many of them didn't complete and send my WhatsApp number. All of them completed it. Today we revise our third chapter. Which is our third chapter's name? Mountains and plateaus in India. India is surrounded by Himalayas in the north. Southern side, Indian Ocean. Western side, Arabian Sea. Eastern side, Bay of Bengal. The southern part of India is a peninsula. The southern part of India is a peninsula. What is a peninsula? The landform covered 3 sides by water that are called peninsula. In India, have 6 physical divisions. ഭൂപ്രകൃതിയുടെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ ഇന്ത്യയെ 6 ആക്കി തരംതിരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഭൂപ്രകൃതിയുടെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ ഇന്ത്യയെ എത്രയാക്കി തരംതിരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്? 6 ആക്കി തരംതിരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ the northern mountains. Did you see northern mountains? First one, northern mountain. Second one, northern plains. These green color portions. Look your textbook. Look your textbook. Northern plains. Then Thar desert was here. Then peninsular plateau, coastal plains, and the islands. The northern mountains consist mainly Himalayan range. Himalayan mountains covered. Which states covered with Himalayas? Jammu Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal. Which states covered Himalayan mountains? Jammu Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal. The Himalayan mountain ranges are 3 parallel lines. First one Himadri, second one Himachal, third one Shivalik. Under name of Himadri, Greater Himalaya. Second one Himachal, Middle Himalayas. Third one Shivalik, Outer Himalayas. Did you understand today's class? I hope all of them understand today's class. Revise your second chapter and study well all of them and complete your notes. See you in next session of our online class. Thank you.